Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set temperature, clock, and humidity. First, let's tackle temperature. Find the mode button on your thermostat and choose between heating, cooling, or automatic operation. Then, use the up and down arrows to set your preferred temperature. For example, you might set it to 72 degrees Fahrenheit for comfort. Confirm your selection to save the setting. This simple adjustment ensures your home stays at a comfortable temperature throughout the day. Next, let's ensure your device's clock is accurate. Navigate to the clock or time settings within the main menu. You'll typically use arrow buttons to adjust the hour and then the minutes. Remember to confirm if it's AM or PM, and also set the correct date if that option is available. A properly set clock is crucial for scheduling features, like programming different temperatures for various times of day, ensuring energy efficiency. Now, let's talk about humidity, which is vital for comfort and health. Look for the humidity control option in your system's menu. You can typically set a target humidity level, often recommended between 30% and 60% for indoor spaces. Use the controls to increase or decrease this setting. Maintaining proper humidity helps prevent issues like dry skin or excessive moisture, contributing to a healthier living environment for everyone. Finally, here are some tips for maintaining your system. Regularly clean or replace your air filters. This can improve efficiency by up to 15%. Also, consider programming schedules to save energy, perhaps setting the temperature back by 5 degrees when you're away or asleep. For more great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. These small steps ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently, providing consistent comfort and saving you money over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.